everyone, so today I'm going to paint this beautiful drawing with oil pastel. So first you have to take a paper which is quite bigger than A4 size according to the breadth. You can see I have started sketching roughly and very lightly with my mechanical pencil. If you are using a normal pencil, not a mechanical, then you have to sharp it and then you start your drawing. So first you have to make these lines so that your eyes, nose fit in the same places, otherwise all will be ups and downs. It will not turn into symmetrical face. So enjoy this beautiful drawing of Ma Saraswati along with this beautiful background music. After you finish the drawing, erase little bit and make the lines lighter. Then you can easily color it with oil pastel without making the face darker. Because when you don't erase the lines and start coloring with oil pastel or any medium, you will see that the drawing is becoming darker by mixing the graphite of the pencil and the color. So first I have taken orange color. We are going from deep shade to light. So orange, first of all you have to put it lightly. Do as I am doing step by step. After orange you have to use light orange color on top of the orange that I have given to blend that color properly. I am using now light orange color. After light orange, now I have taken Simon pink. Simon pink is actually the yellowish thing, yellowish color, or you can say shade of flesh tint. So either use Simon pink or flesh tint, doesn't matter. I am blending the face with tissue paper. See how I have folded so that you also can blend it properly without making that drawing dirty. After that blending, you see how smooth I have blended it. Now use brown color to make all the detailing parts little darker. Do slowly and use 2 to 3 tools to blend that drawing. First is your own finger. See, I am using my finger little bit to blend. You can also see in my other videos. After that I use my paper stump that is made with paper to blend the smaller details, and then the tissue paper for the bigger area. If you don't want to use tissue paper, you can also blend it with your finger. It's easier. Now, after doing the eyebrows and the eyes with black color, I have blended it again. Now some of you will face little difficult doing this proper lines of the eyes. You can also use a color pencil, black color, when you are doing this eye areas. I am using Mungyo Gallery's white color. I have that's why. But if you don't have, don't worry, you can still use your dome's white color. The difference is Mungyo's colors are very pigmented and they are very smooth. It's very rich color, so I just use white color only for this highlights. Otherwise I use and I prefer the dome's colors always. Face part is done. Now I am doing the body areas with the same shades, orange, then light orange, then Simon pink. All the names of the colors you will get below, so don't worry, write all the names or just see and take out the shades whenever you are doing it. Don't forget to blend, because blending is the main thing of this drawing. Without blending you cannot do this type of realistic drawing. This is a very calm, quite peaceful face I have done of Ma Saraswati. Now after the jewelries I have switched to the blouse area. The blouse area I have done, this is in Bengali style with red blouse and white lace. The lace is white, so I have given little grey color for the shading, and for that red blouse I have given red, little bit of orange, and then black and maroon color for the shading. A very vibrant yellow sari, because it's Saraswati and Saraswati Ma looks great in yellow sari. Now I am doing the sitar. This is sitar, not veena. There are 4 to 5 strings in between the sitar. I am giving yellow and brown shade on both the side of the sitar, and in between I have given brown and dark brown color, because the middle part will be darker than the side area. After coloring you have to blend it again, because blending is the main thing in this drawing. So slowly I am doing each and every part, as you can see. Now the black areas, both the side you have to put little bit of black and blend. Now this time I am using my finger to blend, as I already told. Black strings, and then blend it with your paper stump. Now this two ball types that is attached to the sitar is the thing which is measured or balance the rhythm, I think. I don't know the name exactly. Now I am doing the hair area with only black color. You don't need to shade and do any hyper realistic thing. Just black and blend it. Then the bangles with little bit of ochre and brown, and in between I will give red color bangles. Red color bangles are glass bangles, so it has a little bit of shine in between, so you have to put little bit of black for the shading, and then at last you have to put white color for the highlight. For the swan, as it is obviously white color swan, so you have to put little bit of gray color, not fully gray, as you see, little gray with lemon yellow, and then you have to blend it with your finger. Press little bit and blend it. When you are blending, try to hold the drawing with your left hand for the better grip. I am using color pencil for the border of the swan, because you cannot use black oil pastel color for the border, it will not look good. You need a very sharp black for the border. After I have done everything, now it's time for the background. Background I have used olive green, then after olive green I will put grey green, and then ochre. First I thought that I will be making the background little bit of scenery type, like a tree with some birds and a sky, but then I thought let's make it more easier for you. And lastly I am using gold color. Now I have gold color, it doesn't mean that you also have gold color. For that you can use yellow color and pink for the lotus. Now I also don't have pink color, I have made it with red and white color. It's very easy. So finally I have completed this beautiful artwork. Please subscribe to my channel. Tata.